Hello friends. I am Dr. M.A. Khan. Hope you are doing well. Today I am presenting the MDMPA conference program. Our program at Taj Santa Cruz will start with registration and breakfast at 8 a.m. Please bring your registration receipt to collect the coupons, delegate gift and the early bird gift. First lecture will begin at 9 a.m. Please be seated in the conference room at 8:50 a.m. From 9 o'clock to 9:25 a.m. Dr. Ajay Phadke MD, Pathology will speak on clinical applications of diagnostic tests. Be seated in the hall for inter-session gifts. From 9:25 to 9:50 a.m. Dr. Kunal Jobanputra, MD, DM, Medical Oncology will speak on Cancer in Young Adults, an Emergency Challenge. Be seated in the hall for inter-session gifts. From 9:50 to 10:15 a.m. Dr. Hemant Jain, MS, MCH, Laparoscopic, and GI Oncosurgeon will speak on single incision laparoscopic cholecystectomy, just a small hidden belly button scar. From 10:15 to 10:40 a.m. Dr. Anup Dhamangaonkar, MS, DNB, FCPS Ortho, MNAMS will speak on robotic joint replacement. We are future ready. From 10:40 to 11:05 a.m. Dr. Bhavesh Popat, MD, FVIR, Interventional Radiologist, and Vascular Specialist will speak on clinical impact of interventional radiology, case-based discussion. From 11:05 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Dr. Haresh Mehta, MD, Internal Medicine, DNB, Cardiology will speak on valves and newer therapies. From 11:30 to 11:55 a.m. Dr. Siddharth Lakhani, MD, DM, DNB, Nephrology will speak on dialysis versus renal transplant in CKD management. How do you decide? From 11:55 to 12:20 p.m. Dr. Ankur Fatarpekar, MD, DM, Cardiology, FSCAI will speak on heart failure management, newer medication, newer devices. From 12:20 to 12:45 p.m. Dr. Yash Sabharwal, MD, Internal Medicine, Dr. Siddhant Shetty, MD, Medicine will speak on interesting cases in infectious diseases. From 12:45 to 1:10 p.m. Dr. Gaurav Gupta, MS, ASTS Multi-Organ Transplant Medicine will speak on recent advances in liver transplant. 1:10 p.m. to 2 p.m. is lunchtime. Try to finish lunch early to join the upcoming quiz at 2 p.m. Inauguration ceremony will be held from 2 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. From 2:40 to 3:10 p.m. Dr. Sanjay Borude, MS, Face, Fix, Bariatric Surgery Medicine will speak on epigenetics and obesity. From 3:10 to 3:35 p.m. Dr. Subha Prakash Sanyal, MD, DM, Hematology Medicine will speak on hematology in 2024. From 3:35 to 4 p.m. Dr. Sanmit Joshi, MDS, Oral Maxillofacial Surgery Medicine will speak on resect to rehab, ladder, in oral cavity malignancies. From 4 o'clock to 4:25 p.m. Dr. Prashant Malapatan, MBBS, MS, General Surgery, Consultant Oncosurgery Medicine will speak on cancer in general practice. From 4:25 to 4:50 p.m. Dr. Kunal Sankar, DNB, Medicine, DNB, Cardiology Medicine will speak on role of pharmacoinvasive therapy in STEMI in our community. From 4:50 to 5:15 p.m. Dr. Amit Kolekar, MS, MCH, Urology Medicine will speak on kidney stone and its management. Prize ceremony and lucky deep will be held after the last lecture. Be there till the last session to collect the late bird gift. Ask me in the comments if you have any doubt. Don't forget to share the video to others and subscribe to this channel for the latest updates. See you on Sunday 1st December 2024. Till then, take care of your health.